Physics is the branch of science that studies matter, energy, and the fundamental forces of nature. It tries to understand how the universe behaves, from the smallest particles like atoms to the largest structures like galaxies. Simple definition: physics is the study of how and why things move, interact, and exist. Key topics in physics. 1. Mechanics, motion, forces, and energy, e.g., why things fall or move. 2. Thermodynamics, heat and temperature. 3. Waves and sound, how vibrations travel. 4. Electricity and magnetism, circuits, electric charges, magnets. 5. Light optics, how light travels and behaves. 6. Modern physics, atoms, quantum theory, relativity. Real-life examples. Why does a ball fall to the ground? Right pointing arrow gravity, mechanics. How do lights turn on? Right pointing arrow electricity. How do X-rays work? Right pointing arrow electromagnetic waves.